And ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ರೋಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಎನ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಂ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ 1200 GS ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ 1200 GS ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಇದೆ ಶೋರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಂ ಅಲ್ಲೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್
ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸರ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್
ಓಕೆ
ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಇಡಿ
ಹಾಂ
ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್
ಹಾಂ
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಡ್
ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ 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 ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಂ ಆಟೋ ಶಾಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಹಾಂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯೂನಿಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದು
ಹೌದು
ಎಫ್ ಎನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಂ
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿ ಸಾವಾ ಪಲವೆಲ್ಲೋ
ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಲರ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಗೆ ಸೀಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಪ್ರೈಸು
C02 ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್
ಓಕೆ ಹೊಸ ಕಲರ್
5,42,000
ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಇದು C4
C02
the C4 how much is of the C4 another one you have now
C04 C04 is priced at 1658
at the and another model you have now the big wider cooler you have now another it is upper of C04 you have now the wider model you have another cooler you have now
the C400 GT the order for the C400 GT is 1530
okay 1530 okay okay we are the only one company who produce like this in the sports but some luxury segment also no other company produce this that is like this there's no computer for the current in the market you compare Ducati Kawasaki no computer for the vehicle in this category I'm telling you very nice but people tell that there's a storage space no everybody tell the price is very high for this vehicle no pricing also
because it goes with an AI battery
okay no but there is no
depends on your way you're riding
there is no storage space not there no to keep something no that's a big disadvantage in this buying this vehicle no that's what I'm telling seats are comfortable no in long ride
yeah you can easily sit there is a gel seat so once you sit you're comfortable
okay same what we use in high-end cycles same thing you are telling no
correct
gel seat are next what upcoming launches on BMW what are upcoming launches currently for this year
currently we are expecting the F900 XR
okay
by the month of June or July
okay what we saw that 1000 XR was in the market similar to getting the 90 was telling no that is the upcoming launch for this year okay it is coming in next month no
yes
July month launch in the showroom okay or what is the what's the price for this one
G310RR
okay
it's a sports type motorcycle
okay
it's the entry level motorcycle for the BMW family
okay what's the price for this one
so it's priced at 4,50,000
okay then any features or changes in the vehicle old and new one
so
any
there's no
features
major
after
upgrades
okay
we are added a new color called the racing blue metallic
okay this is the racing blue no
easy white color
okay but if you compare with the TVS all other T10 different compared to but what are you I compare it or the different in the category
so it's completely different they look
okay.
similar
okay
there's a lot of different
features
there's a lot of components difference used in this
okay
and this comes with BMW motor and ABS
okay
so the BMW doesn't compromise in anything
okay
in the braking pump
okay
so even if you're going in 160 a single tap on the brake could get you in the 100
okay and features are different in this other you can compare
yes this is a lot of features
okay cruise control is there no cruise control is there in this feature
cruise control is on
so only super bikes
yes
and the naked in the stop no
yes.
you are the naked version of this bike now that is stop and then
only one currently in the
this is the low CC bike and super bike what's the computer for this the pure what a computer current in the market for this vehicle
competitors are Aprilia RS457
okay
we have the Ninja 300
okay
we have the Ram 400
okay
and we have the RR 310
okay
Apache
but Ninja 400 Ninja can compare as a sports bike, but it is like a compare for different under that. What's the top speed is vehicle?
Top speed is 160.
Okay.
Recommended top speed is 160.
Okay. But the goals we can't compare. Those bikes we can't compare with this one. So those are 200 plus calorie bikes. Top speed that was in that trainer in the 400 top speed. But this is the this kind of compare with that like top speed basically. Okay, thank you.